In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly integrate Google Ads with HubSpot for straightforward ad tracking and conversion attribution. This integration is essential for anyone looking to optimize their marketing efforts and track the ROI on their advertising spend effectively. Let's get started. First, you'll need to connect your Google Ads account to HubSpot. Start by navigating to the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're there, go to Settings, then Marketing, and finally click on Ads. You'll see an option to Connect Account, where you'll select Google Ads. When you click on it, you'll be guided through a series of prompts to log in and authorize access to the specific ad account you wish to integrate. Remember, you need to have admin access in Google Ads and publish access within HubSpot's Ads tool to make this connection work. Once your accounts are connected, the next step is to enable auto-tracking with HubSpot's UTM template. This is where HubSpot really shows its strength by automatically applying UTM tracking parameters to your ads. By default, some of the common tags used are UTM source set to AdWords, UTM as medium as PPC, and UTM campaign set to your campaign ID, among others, like HSA CAM, HSA GRP, and HSA AID. These parameters help HubSpot report detailed insights into your campaigns, ad groups, keywords, creative content, and more. A couple of tips here. Ensure your ad's final URL isn't being shortened or redirected, which could strip out those crucial UTM parameters, and avoid setting conflicting custom tracking overrides at the campaign or ad group levels. Now, for the third step, you'll want to install the Google Ads pixel in HubSpot. This process involves going to HubSpot and navigating to Marketing, then Ads, and finally Pixels. Click on Add Pixel and select Google Ads. What this does is it embeds the remarketing or conversion tracking tag across your site via HubSpot. This is important for audience building and accurate conversion tracking, allowing you to target effectively and track those conversions as they happen on your site. Finally, if you're using lead ads, it's crucial to sync your lead form submissions. For those utilizing Google Lead Gen ads, you'll head back into HubSpot's marketing section, go to Ads, and look for an option called Lead Syncing. Here, you'll connect Google Ads and enable syncing. This wonderful feature automatically pulls in lead data from Google Forms, including data from up to the past 90 days. It's a great way to ensure no potential lead data slips through the cracks. With these steps, you're now equipped to integrate Google Ads with HubSpot efficiently, paving the way for enhanced ad tracking, insightful reporting, and ultimately better marketing decisions. Thanks for following along, and may your campaigns be insightful and successful.